How big is an Automower? How much space is it going to take up in my property? Well, let's take a quick peek. I'm opening up here one of the Husqvarna Automowers. Move all this packaging out of the way, guys, as I pull this out. And this model is the 310, and it's made to do about 1/4 acre. So you can see the size here. Not too big, right? Pretty lightweight. And this is the other thing I want to show you is the dock. This is an important part of the Automower. This is what sends the signal through the wire for the Automower to operate, and it's also where it comes to charge. So this dock is going to be tucked off in the corner of your property, maybe off into a flower bed, and that's where the charging happens. That's where the wires come from that tell this Automower where it can and cannot go in your lawn. So it's out mowing, the battery's running dead. This little baby comes on home and whoop, right into the dock, and it's charging. So here you have it, the Husqvarna Automower, your silent working partner, always keeping your lawn looking freshly cut and groomed, because who doesn't like a lawn that's beautiful all the time? Stop by Carl's Mower and Saw and check out the full line of Husqvarna Automowers. We are your experts in automated lawn care.